Hey, welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. And in the kitchen today, we're doing a great side recipe that's great to do with your kids. It is called Dirty Volcano Potatoes. This is so much fun. It is such a great tasting recipe. And as I mentioned, there's a whole lot of fun to do, and let's get started. All right, so we're gonna definitely be using the Bayou Dirt today. That's gonna be in the Volcano sauce. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get these potatoes ready to go. I've already cleaned these really well, so I'm not gonna really show you that. And now I'm just gonna put some holes in here, let some of the steam out. All right, now we're gonna take potato, and we are just gonna wrap it in here. Now, normally in a baked potato, I would put olive oil all around it. I'm not going to do that because we really don't need that. We're going to be wrapping around bacon around this a little bit later. All right, so now we're going to take these potatoes and we're going to take it out to the grill. See if I can juggle those.
Dear Lord.
Grill. We're outside. We're in the Dirt Man's happy place. We're on the Weber grill today. And what we do is I have this on high heat right now. We're just going to put these on. Separate them out. Let it go like that, and we're going to let it go for the next 20 minutes. Leave them alone. Let's shut it down, and we'll see you back when we're done. Okay, so I took the potatoes out. I let them sit and rest for about 15 minutes. Enough where I can actually touch them and handle them well. So now what we're going to do is cut the side. The other side so it lays nice and flat. Okay, once we've got it cored out here, now we're going to use the Colby Jack and Monterey Jack cheese sticks. I really like these. And we're also going to use, I'm going to use a 4-state cheddar cheese that I just found. All right, so I'm putting some of the cheese in. Then we're going to put the stick inside. And we're going to mix some more of this cheese all inside. And we're going to take the bacon. Now, I like the thicker bacon for this. And just wrap the bacon around. Use a toothpick to hold it. And a little bit more cheese right on top. That's going to go right on the grill. All right, so I have the heat on this side of the grill. I'm gonna leave this as indirect over here, and I'm gonna put these right on top. All right, we'll check on these in about 20 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna make the lava for the potatoes here. So we're gonna start off, and I'm gonna use some light sour cream because I gotta wash the LBs here. So we'll say we'll do a cup of this for the 4 potatoes. And then just like the dirty little dip that we do, it's the same thing. We know how good that is. So we'll put the Bayou Dirt in here. So we're gonna do about 2.5 tablespoons, excuse me. And we're gonna do a little hot sauce, about a tablespoon of hot sauce. I love me some Tabasco. And we mix. So this is just going to add a lot more flavor on top. I know a lot of other people use other things. The Bayou Dirt is just going to be perfect for this. Tori, you think I need more?
Oh, maybe a little bit.
A little bit more?
A little bit.
Oh yeah, that looks perfect. Once you make it long enough, you just learn to eyeball it.
That is correct. Look at that. All right, now to the next step. All right, let's open this bad boy and see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Look at those. Look at the ooze. Oh my goodness. They look yummy. Okay, so now this is completely finished. It came out perfect this time. So now let's put the lava on top. Oh yeah. Don't be shy. Let's put a little bit of green onions right on top. Now we're gonna break into this. Let's see what it looks like inside. Ooh. Look at that. Look at the cheese, just oozing. Wait, that doesn't look yummy. All right, now we're gonna try this. I'm gonna say about the sauce that I put on top, if you don't like it spicy, use the original dirt. Because this had a little bit of heat with the hot sauce and you might not want that also. So okay, just to do it with the original dirt and no hot sauce. I can tell you, this might be one of the better things I've ever made. This is absolutely amazing. This is so good. That is yummy. It is so yummy. So I hope you like this video. I had a good time making it. It was a lot of fun. This is a fun recipe. Again, do this with your kids. Hope you liked it. Check out our other videos on TBSDirt.com. We got many of them on there. We broke it down by breakfast, appetizers, dinner, grilling, barbecuing. And make sure you subscribe. Tell all your friends and family about Todd's Dirt. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.